warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Malaysians and Muslims in the whole world. Hi there, I'm Umi Ira from iLuvQuran. Have you ever struggled to convince your child to learn Quran to the extent that they would cry out of desperation? And if you have, if you're a mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, uncle or aunt, or even a teacher, then you should definitely vote for iLuvQuran, because you and I believe that Quranic education can be more fun and more engaging, and alhamdulillah, we have created creative, loving, fun and engaging experiential learning module for children to learn Al-Quran. So today, we need your vote so our modules can reach more schools, more teachers, and ultimately more children can grow up with the love of Quran in their hearts. So please, please, please vote for iLuvQuran and share this video. Together, let's change the landscape of Quranic education for our children and the future generation in Malaysia and beyond. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.